So, hi everyone. In our previous video, I explained you what is app service and how to create an app service from Azure portal. So in this video, I will explain you how to publish the code from Visual Studio to our app service, and we'll verify that our app service is running fine as if it is working in the local. Okay. So in our previous video, if you see, I have explained you regarding what are these overview, activity logs, deployment slots, settings, configuration, what are all these. Uh, Even if you scroll down, I explained you regarding the app service plan, deployment slots, as well as what is API and monitoring. So I explained you all this. If anyone missed that, just please check out my previous video. So in this video, I'll create a .NET Core application, and we'll try to publish the .NET Core application to the app service. Okay, that's fine. This app service I have created in my previous video. You can check there. So let's create a uh, new solution, new project. So just click on create new project. So here we'll select .NET Core Web API, Web App. Anything is fine. We'll go with Web App. Okay, create. We'll just name it as click on Web App. Click on Next. Leave as is. Click on Create. So you can see a simple .NET Core application that we have created now. So we'll first make it as a startup project. We'll try to run in our local if it's working fine or not. Yeah, you can see it is working fine. You can see the name Srikanth Web App. Okay, first we'll deploy deploy the solution as is. Then we'll try to change the name or the home or the privacy, anything in this content, and we'll again deploy it and verify if the deployment is successfully completed or not. Okay, so there are three steps actually, how to deployment from the local Visual Studio. You can right click on the solution, and you can publish it. So there are these many steps, like directly you can go to the Azure, and you can check the app service plans what are there in your Azure. It will list all the app services that are there in our directory. Okay, I don't want to go in that way. We'll go in a simple way. Just come back. We have an option to import profile. Okay, if you go back to the app service, just go to the overview. There is an option called download profile, publish profile. Just download it. So yeah, if you open this profile, there will be like uh, what is the directory it present in, and what is subscription, and what is the app service name, username, password, everything. You can see user password, username. So directly instead of giving all this manually, directly you can upload this publish profile. So internally Visual Studio will take care of that. Okay, I want to import the downloaded publish profile now. Click on next. You can browse that profile. It is in the downloads folder. So this is Srikanth Web App. Finish. So it has taken the Srikanth app automatically from that downloaded publish profile. So you can click on publish. So once you click on publish, it verifies first, it will build the application. If the build is fair, it will not publish the code. Okay, you can see the step by step procedure what it is doing here. So as I told, the build is started. Once the build is completed, it will publish all our DLLs, uh, our project DLLs, right? All these project DLLs, even Swagger DLL, all those DLLs, it will try to publish to the app service. It will take some time. So meanwhile, just go to the app service. Okay, let's find. I think it's finishing. So you can see all the CSS files, DLL files. You can even see the DLL files, JSON files. So it has finished. The publish has been finished. So once the publish is done, it will automatically restart the app service. Okay, you can see it successfully installed web app and restarting the web app. It will automatically try to restart the application. So you can see that the application is restart. We'll go back to the Azure portal. There is an option called browse here. You can directly click on the browse. You can see there it goes. Srikanth web app, home, and privacy. So this is what we deployed. This is the content that we have seen when we run it, when we run the application in our local, right? Now let's try to change the content in that, in the in our application. Anything is fine. Just go to pages, view, import. Not this index.html. If you see, there is an index.html, right? So you can see this is the home page and docs.microsoft.com. So build web apps with ASP.NET Core. This is what you are seeing here, right? Building web apps with ASP.NET Core. Let's try to change this content, okay? Or else welcome. There is a welcome, right? We'll change. We'll try to change this content. Welcome, Srikanth. Currently, it is just welcome. We'll change it to the welcome Srikanth. Okay, let's save it. We'll first verify if the change is affected in the local or not. Just run the application. Yeah, you can see welcome Srikanth. Just close it. We'll publish the latest code again. Click on publish. So earlier we already imported the publish profile, right? So this time it will take the last previous profile itself. No need to import it again. You can directly click on publish. So once you click on publish, it will again try to build the application. You can see that the build is started. It will again, once the build is successful, it will try to push all the DLLs once again. You can see it is trying to push the DLLs in the release version. So locally we are doing it in the debug mode. You can see that the DLLs are pushed. They are updated. They are not newly created. They just updated. So once it is done, so go back to our portal again. Just try to refresh the page. You can see that the welcome Srikanth here. So the new content is got updated in our web app, right? That's it. So in this video what we have learned is like, we created a .NET core application and we tried to publish it from the Visual Studio. We can also publish it using CI/CD pipelines. I will explain these things in the next upcoming videos. Okay, how to do continuous deployment and continuous delivery. I'll explain these in the next upcoming series. Okay. uh, if you have any comments, just leave it in the comment box and please subscribe to my channel.